I'm here at our Winding Oaks project with pre-drywall documentation, standing in the foyer and walking from the two-story section of the foyer to the one-story section of the foyer. To the left of the dining room opening, about 24 inches, is a one-gang switch outlet for the closet, that coat closet that is off the foyer. Inside the coat closet are two-gang boxes, which have the switches for the Christmas lights and landscape lights. Up above the header in that closet is an opening for a fluorescent light. Backing out of that closet and looking down inside the closet to my left is a two-gang outlet that has some low voltage wiring inside for LED lighting. Looking across towards the wine grotto is a two-gang switch outlet. Backing up towards the front door and looking up at the ceiling, I have a supply grill here. I have a chandelier outlet in the dead center, and I've got some low voltage wiring here in the corner for some cove lighting that will go in this entry. Looking back now to my left, I've got this barrel ceiling that goes into the area for the home theater. It has a switch on the left. It has a switch on the right. The switch on the right is for the barrel ceiling. The switch on the left is for the closet under the stairs. The ceiling has a 6-inch recessed can and a smoke detector. There's also a plug on the wall that backs up to the bar. Looking under the stairs, I have an outlet for a fluorescent light. And I believe that is the only electrical that goes down under this stairwell, if I'm not mistaken. So that is for that area. Backing out into the entrance to the theater and walking into the theater, I can turn to my left, and there's a 4-gang box inside the theater to my left. Looking to my right, there are no switches on the wall, but there is a plug down low to the right, as well as a plug down low to the left. Looking around the theater wall, I've got a plug on the right, about halfway between the bar and the screen wall. I've got speaker wiring in the screen wall here for the right speaker, here for the center speaker, and here for the left speaker. I also have wiring in the center of this for a TV outlet. Looking to the left, I've got a wiring for an electrical outlet and a subwoofer. Continuing on around to the left, I've got a switch outlet for the AV closet, a plug down in front of the bar counter, and on the other bar counter, another plug down in front of that one as well. Moving into the AV closet, as you can see, there's a ton of stuff in this AV closet, so I'll just scan through it slowly so that you can see what all is here. Box after box after box after box in this AV closet, including all of this where a bunch of low voltage LED transformers will go. Looking up at the ceiling of the AV closet is an outlet above the header for a fluorescent light. Backing back towards the entrance to the theater and looking up, you will see an outlet for a projector, 120 volt outlet plus a Smurf tube for the wiring. Above each bar counter are 3 mini cans. There's a return grill for the air conditioner. There's a speaker wire next to it. Looking at the other side are the 3 mini cans over the bar and a speaker wire in the same opposite location as the other bar counter. Looking up at the ceiling in the rest of the theater, looks like is a smoke detector outlet, speaker wiring to the right, speaker wiring to the left, and a supply grill on the far wall. And that is the documentation of the theater. Now I'm going to back out into the foyer and walk into the wine grotto. So as I walk into the wine grotto and look to my right, there's a 3-gang switch to my right, a plug down low for an under-counter refrigerator. On the back wall of the wine grotto is a plug here which will be at counter height, another plug here at counter height, and another plug here at counter height. I've got low voltage wiring here, as you can see, that will be under the upper cabinets for the wine grotto. And then looking up at the wine grotto ceiling, which is a really cool barrel that we've built, I've got some low voltage wiring on the right side of it, some low voltage wiring on the left side of it, and some low voltage wiring right behind the barrel for lighting that will be strung across the back wall that will cascade down the back wall to light the wall hung wine bottle storage. Moving back out of the wine grotto, there's a switch, double gang switch to the right before the entrance to the family room. As I walk into the family room and look to my left, I've got a plug down low, a subwoofer outlet down low. I've got a, looks like a switch outlet. There's going to be a cabinet built in here to the left of the fireplace. There's a Smurf tube with some low voltage wiring. There's an electrical outlet there, and then the wire you see hanging there is supposed to be low voltage wiring that goes in this cabinet, and the electrician pulled high voltage instead of low voltage, so that's getting changed out. Here is our fireplace. In this particular house, we're not putting the TV above the fireplace, so there's no plug or low voltage wiring above this fireplace. To the right of the fireplace is a plug down low, a switch on the wall to control the fireplace itself on off. To the right of that and on towards the back wall is a switch here, a 3-gang switch here with a speaker wire or volume control wire above it, and a plug down low. We've got our sliding patio door, which will be installed here. There's the low voltage alarm wire for that patio door. The low voltage alarm wire is on both sides. To the right of the patio door is a plug down low and a 2-gang switch. As I move back toward the entrance to the family room from the foyer, I'll look up and I'll see speaker wiring and a supply grill to my right with a 6-inch recessed can above it, slope ceiling. There are 2 rows, 3 each, 6-inch slope ceiling cans in this ceiling. As you can see, there's 3 on that side, 3 on this side. I have speaker wiring on the right near the supply grill. I have some more speaker wiring on the right near the second supply grill, and it looks like another type of speaker wiring of some kind right in the corner. And that's on the part of the ceiling that butts up to the kitchen. The opposite ceiling has some white speaker wire here, as well as a 4-inch recessed can that's going to get switched to a single 4-inch octagon box for a bullet light that will light down this wall. Back up to the ceiling is that 6-inch recessed can in the center, and then over to the left is some more speaker wiring. A little bit of it's hanging down. We've got to get that nailed up, but it's directly under the 6-inch recessed can. And that takes care of part 3 of our pre-sheetrock walkthrough.